Hello students, this is the second part of the travel plan, and in this video I am going to discuss the question answer of travel plan. Now come to the first question number A4. Read the extract and answer the question that follow. Number 1. First of all we will read the extract. And when I had seen all that I want to see, I hope I would know how to turn back into me. Now come to the first question number A. Write 4 things that the speaker had seen. Answer. The speaker had seen jungle, snow, ocean and fish. Now come to the next question number B. What does the speaker mean by turn back into me? By turn back into me, the speaker means he wanted to come back to his original shape and size. Now come to question number C. Why do you think the speaker wants to turn back into himself? Answer. When the speaker gets bored of being small and big, he wants to turn back into himself. Now come to the next extract. And I would learn to say thank you in kangaroos. Now we will discuss the question related to this extract. Let's see question number 1. What does the speaker mean by this statement? Answer. It means the speaker wants to say thank you to a kangaroo after learning its language. Now come to the next question number B. What is meant by the word kangaroos? It means the language of the kangaroos. Question number C. Why has the poet coined this word? Answer. He wants to make the kangaroos understand his gratitude by thanking in their language. Now come to the next question number A6. Write homophones of the words given below. One has been done for you. First of all, before starting it, you should know what is homophones. Homophones, it is a word that is pronounced the same as another word but differs in meaning and differs in spelling also. Homophones होता क्या है? Homophones ऐसे वर्ड है जैसे आप जिसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होता है, कभी कभी स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट होता है लेकिन प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम होता है और उनका मीनिंग डिफरेंट होता है. Okay, now come to the first question. First one has already done. P-I-E-C-E, peace. And the second piece, the spelling of second piece is P-E-A-C-E, peace. One piece, P-I-E-C-E, peace means tukda. And P-E-A-C-E, peace means shanti. Now come to the second. M-A-L-E, male. Male is a gender. And M-A-I-L, male. Male means the email ID or it's related to the computer. Okay, male. M-A-I-L, male. Now, third one. F-L-O-O-R, floor. This floor means the surface. जमीन जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, ठीक है. एंड F-L-O-U-R, द homophones of this floor is floor. F-L-O-U-R, floor. This floor means atta. Now come to the fourth one. H-A-I-R, hair. This means bal. And the homophones of hair is H-A-R-E, hair. This hair means khargosh. Fifth, P-L-A-I-N, plain, means smooth, samtal. and the homophones of this plane is plane, plane. Okay, now come to sixth number, hole, hole. Hole means cheda, and the homophones of this hole is whole, hole. This hole means pura. Now come to seventh number, wait, wait, wait. Wait means इंतज़ार करना, and second wait, weigt, wait. This weight means वजन. Now come to next question, 8 number. Here it is written 8, EIGHT, 8. 8, ये 8 एक नंबर रिप्रेजेंट करता है, and ATE, 8 means the past tense of eat. Now come to the next question, question number A7. Given below are some words from the poem with their letters jumbled up. Write the correct words and match them with their meanings. Now let's see. The correct word, we will write, the correct word of the first one is ocean. OCEAN, ocean. And the meaning of ocean is, you will match it with a very large area of sea. You match ocean with a very large area of sea. Now come to the second one. The correct spelling is SPIN, spinning. Sorry, spin, SPIN, spin. And the meaning is to go round and round on its axis. Now come to the third one. The correct spelling is grasshopper, GRASSHOPPER, grasshopper. And its meaning is an insect with 8 legs. Now come to the fourth one. The correct word is skates. Spelling SKATES, skates, and its meaning is ice or a hard surface. Now come to the last one. The correct word is kangaroo, and the spelling is KANGAROO, kangaroo, and the meaning is an animal with a pouch on its stomach. Now come to the next question, question number A8. Write the synonyms of these words. But before starting writing the answer, everybody should know what is synonyms. Synonyms is a word with nearly the same meaning. Synonyms का मतलब होता है ऐसे वर्ड जिसका मीनिंग सेम होता है. दो डिफरेंट वर्ड्स होते हैं बट देयर मीनिंग्स आर सेम, जिसको हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं समान अर्थ वाले शब्द. नाउ कम टू नंबर 1, काइंड. काइंड, द सिनोनिम्स ऑफ काइंड इज जेनरस, GENEROUS, generous. Now come to the second, tall. The synonym of tall is huge, HUGE, huge. Now come to the third one, travel, TRAVEL, travel. And the synonyms of travel is journey, JOURNEY, journey. Section B, question number B1, you will do it yourself.